You ever wake up one day and think, yeah, I'm done with traffic, bills, and store-bought tomatoes that taste like wet cardboard? I want to live off the land? If so, welcome to the wild idea of homesteading, where freedom smells like fresh soil and goat breath. Bold move. Respect. Imagine stepping outside every morning with a cup of coffee and watching your garden grow instead of scrolling social media. That's the dream. Growing your own food, eating eggs from your own chickens, and never again wondering why lettuce costs $5. That's power, my friend. But let's be real. Homesteading doesn't start with a barn and a tractor. It starts with baby steps. First mission: find the land. Good soil, sunlight, water boom. That's your holy trinity. Don't buy a pretty hilltop with dirt that hates plants. Dirt matters. Test it, smell it, love it. Then make sure the local government isn't going to show up and say, sorry pal, goats aren't allowed here. Chadjay, once you've got land, design your layout. Keep the garden close to the kitchen. You don't want to sprint across your property in the rain every time you need a tomato. Trust me, consider the sun, wind, and slope. Mother Nature is a teammate, but she also loves chaos. So plan smart, then it's time to grow food. Start small unless you enjoy emotional breakdowns. A little lettuce, some tomatoes, a few herbs. You're not running a farm yet. You're building confidence, and let me tell you, the first time you eat something you grew, you will strut around like a vegetable superstar. But vegetables are just the beginning. You want eggs? Chickens? You want milk? Goats? You want chaos and comedy? Also goats. Livestock brings responsibility, feeding, shelter, cleaning, but it also brings independence. Plus, you'll suddenly have animals who follow you around like Yuri, the mayor of Food Town. Water is life, so get serious about it. Rain barrels, wells, backup storage. If there's a drought, you'll be high-fiving yourself for being prepared. Nothing grows without water. Not gardens, not animals, not dreams. Water is king. Best part of homesteading. You don't have to do it alone. Build a community. Trade eggs for honey. Swap seeds. Share stories about how your goat escaped again. You'll need people who get it. Living off the land isn't easy, but it's real, honest living. And once you taste freedom, you'll never go back. Now, grab some dirt. Your future isn't going to plant itself.